honest excuse to say, when it's like 7:30 on a Sunday morning. And I've literally just rolled out of bed and shoved some clothes on, literally. Because the other day, I came across a badger set when I was like, walking. And then last night I popped back down. It took me a while to find the spot again, but came back down to set up my trail cam, and I've just literally been to collect it. So I'm going to go home and see if we caught anything. I did put some food out too, so I'm hoping I might have caught some other animals. But yeah, let's go home and look.